Is it really the right time to buy Bitcoin? Was the bottom $3,500 US? Alright, so we're going to be talking about all that in this video. So if you guys are not really part of the YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash the like button, and let's get into this. What's up, Crypto Nation? How you guys doing? Today we're having a very lovely day. The price of Bitcoin is 6% up and everybody's really enjoying these times because we've been having a very bad year, and finally it seems like the markets are really improving. You always have to remember that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and whatever we're going to be talking about in this video is strictly going to be my own personal opinion. Have you guys noticed that we've been having extremely bullish news during the past few weeks? Whether the price of Bitcoin is $20,000 US or $1,000 US, the fundamentals still remain the same. So it really shocks me how people really react negatively, especially when the price of Bitcoin is down. But of course, not everybody's like that. Personally, I'm so excited and I'm so happy that the price of Bitcoin dropped as low as $3,500 US. In case you guys are wondering, today is the 29th of November. So if you guys are going to be watching this video a little bit later, you can always check the price of Bitcoin whenever you're going to be watching this. And the current price of Bitcoin is about $4,350 US. So I wouldn't advise anybody to buy right now. The smartest thing that you can do right now is obviously wait for a slight correction, because obviously people really got to make a little bit of money. I did manage to get my orders filled right around $3,515 US. So right now I'm actually 6% up, so I'm really excited. I wouldn't advise any of my subscribers to be buying the Bitcoin that I'm going to be selling. So what you're supposed to do is place your buy orders, because you know it's just a matter of time till the price of Bitcoin corrects, because we're always going to be zigzagging. We go down, we go up, we go down and we go up. It's always going to be like that. So if you guys are very smart enough, you can just, you know, play with the volatility and use it to your own advantage. We're currently facing major resistance, and a lot of people are having their sell targets at about $4,700 US, but I think it's going to be a little bit lower than that. Anything which is going to be $4,400 US and below is really going to be, you know, a good selling point for me, due to the fact that I really got in a little bit you know, early. It's a very great idea to always take precaution, and in case the price of Bitcoin goes down again, I do have a little bit of buy orders which are going to be set at a lower price point. Like for example, $2,950. I've got buy orders at $1,350, just in case we have like a very deep decline in the price of Bitcoin. But it really seems that the bulls defended the price of Bitcoin, especially like right around the $3,300 US value. So a lot of people are thinking this is the bottom. I remember when the price of Bitcoin was around $15,000 US, a lot of people were claiming that Bitcoin was going to bottom out around $3,500 US, and recently we hit that price target. So it really serves as a mental milestone. So this is actually one of the reasons why I really think we're not really going to go back to $3,500 US, because it really is all about psychology, because a lot of people had that mental picture in their head. I don't really think it's going to stay at $3,500 for a very long time. I'm not really going to be surprised if we see a steady increase in the price of Bitcoin, because a lot of people are beginning to buy back. But anyway, if we think about the worst case scenario, in case the price of Bitcoin goes back way below $3,500 US, you guys already know what to do. I think it's really going to be a golden opportunity. Try to get as much Bitcoin as you can, try to accumulate as much Bitcoin as you can, because the next bull run is going to be ridiculous. You guys already know what's happening. We've got Bakkt coming. There's going to be a lot of institutional money which is going to be flocking and just coming into the cryptocurrency market. For example, Coinbase right now is working on a lot of facilities which is going to allow institutional money, if I can put it that way, to come into cryptocurrency. So just to summarize everything, they are going to make it possible for a lot of big money to like come in, and the price of Bitcoin is obviously going to go to the moon, and that's going to be a very great thing. The other thing that I really wanted to talk about was the CME Futures. Tomorrow is the 30th of November, and the CME Futures is going to expire. So I don't really know exactly what the effect is going to be, especially on the price of Bitcoin. So if you guys really know exactly what's going to happen to the price of Bitcoin due to the expiration of the CME Futures, please let me know in the comment section below. But personally, I think we're really going to have like a slight declining the price of Bitcoin. As I'm recording this video, the current price of Bitcoin is now 4,269. I really think that the price is really going down because people are taking profit. Let me just go sell my Bitcoin because I really want to hold the gains that I made.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
I am back. I just had to secure the bag. It's always very important to take profit and just be safe because you might never know what might happen tomorrow. What else did I want to talk about? Oh yeah, I wanted to talk about a few alternative cryptocurrencies that I'm going to be buying, and right now I don't really think is a great time to get into altcoins because if we really get to consider the previous bull run, like last December to January, during that period obviously Bitcoin experienced a lot of massive growth and a lot of alternative cryptocurrencies were pretty much dormant. So it could have been wiser and much more profitable if you invested first of all in Bitcoin, then after Bitcoin runs out of juice, then switch to a lot of alternative cryptocurrencies. I'm obviously going to be looking at a lot of altcoins. For example, Elastos, I think it has got a very huge chance of being successful, and I'm really thinking of buying a whole lot of Elastos, especially when the time is right. The other cryptocurrency that I was thinking of buying is actually Switcheo. So Switcheo is some sort of decentralized cryptocurrency exchange. So as far as decentralization goes, I don't really know how decentralized it is. I think Matrix AI seems to be a very interesting one, and I'm really looking forward to having a masternode on the Matrix AI blockchain as well because I really hear it's going to be extremely profitable. So of course there's the usual suspects. For example, everybody has got XRP, Stellar, Lumens, Neo, Ethereum. There's quite a lot of great alternative cryptocurrencies out there, so please let me know which other alternative cryptocurrencies are super exciting, and please give me a reason why you really think those alternative cryptocurrencies deserve to be looked at. I'm obviously going to talk to you guys a little bit later. It's been fun talking to you guys and obviously seeing your lovely faces. You guys are awesome, and thank you for the support. Thank you for all the love. Be good, take care, and see you.
I'm a stylish guy. Spend a little guap with a nigga like me. We can catch a fly. Said she wanna rock with a nigga like me.